Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow my steps and apply them to your browser. So here all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and now we've got two different options. So the fastest one is here, clear browsing data. We can tap on it and open this tab. You can change the time range. Here you can see what it will be removed, and tap on clear data and it will be done. You can tap on more options and we will be transferred to this section. However, I'll show you how to get there kind of manually. And thanks to it, we'll be able to remove some advanced browsing history. So let's simply tap on the three dots icon and tap on the history. And this is the list of all previously visited websites. And if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button next to it. So let's tap on clear browsing data, and again we've got this section. Here we've got those basic options which are available in the previous way of removing browsing history, and here we've got some advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So make sure that the thing you want to remove is marked, change the time range to, for example, all time, and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.